Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Beezy, and I'm back with a brand new video. And today, we're gonna be trading. But today, what happened in the markets is that there is not a single regular market. Everything is OTC, and we're gonna see if we can tame the OTC beast that, you know, has been rambling and taking money from not only my viewers, but all people on Polkadot. Everyone tells me Polkadot OTC is rigged, man. They move it, they do all of this. We're gonna test it, we're gonna see it, and we, of course, are gonna try to be profitable. So gang, let's get right into it. Right here, I'm looking to enter a huge trade. Downwards, I think my goal is if I see that market pulls or any way over that, I'm entering a trade. That was the goal right now. So we see the market trying to pull away right now, but we are not going to be afraid of that. 6.8, 8.30. Sorry, my bad, just hit something off the floor. So we got about 30 seconds left on that trade. As you can see, I have been looking at this pair. As you see, I had my indicators, everything was ready. This was a trade that I was planning for. As soon as I saw the market blow past this place, it was going to be a good trade for me to enter. But as you can see, the markets, OTC markets, is giving me nothing today. And it looks like I'm starting the trading session with a 10K loss. Or not. Okay, I think we lost one of those trades. I think we lost one and we won one of those trades. Okay, so we're starting with a 5K loss, which isn't great either, but I think that the market is going to continue to fall. And I'm just going to continue to try to take profit off of the downfall of this market. Now you might think, oh, Beezy, it's only one candle. How can you be so sure? I've watched this market blow past this. I've seen it blow past this. So I'm sure that the market is about to be in a situation where it's going down and we are going to be able to take profit off of this. Now, OTC, you've heard many millions of stories about OTC, and this is another pair that I've been looking at. This pair, it's been up and down. It's been going up and down, and I think that the sellers have it for sure. So I'm just gonna keep it G and enter 15K downwards right here, because I've looked at this pair and I've seen it repeat itself over and over again. And one of the things that you don't want to do is you have to realize what the market is telling to you. Right here in this situation, you just saw me lose 5K, and then now I'm losing another 5K on this market just because I'm not listening to what the market is saying, right? Right here, I made my predictions and I didn't want to be flexible with it. I believe that the market should pull down right here. And when I'm able to take 5K, I think that my hypotheses are being, you know, right. I think I'm right here when I'm able to make that 5K. So I double down on that and I'm able to lose. So Apple OTC, I've been looking at and it's been going down with a little bit of sideways movement. And I didn't enter any trades, but because I'm looking for a point. And when I saw this green candle, I knew it was going to be a fake out. Why? Because I've seen it Apple multiple times in the market, but I'm able to take that 28K. You see that profit? See that profit? That's at least 10, 15K in profit, bro. So you'll see that. So you see, we're going to be following the market so you can see the ups and downs that you're going through. I lost about 10K, made a little bit more. This is the problem that I think most people have with OTC, is that you can see how the market is inconsistent sometimes, and you just have to listen and see what the market is saying. So I think really when it comes to making OTC trades, what you have to keep in mind is that sometimes support and resistance isn't the best strategy for OTC, because what I like to do with OTC is mostly just read the candles and see what's going on. I use the candles and I use a little bit of the indicators, a little bit. So right here, we can see that we have a first strong candle, and this candle looks like it's gonna be strong, but it's a little shorter, right? And now, if you're looking at resistance, you're like, well, this should be going up, right? That makes perfect sense if that's the kind of trade that you're gonna make. But when you see this, in my opinion, I'm thinking to myself, okay, that is a good point to enter a trade. Why? Because I'm going to see the market pull up to the point where it's over that, but you can see that the market is still pulling up. So these two candles, while they might look like the definition of a downward trend or showing that the market is going to pull downwards, you see the markets are still pulling up. Now, if we look at the indicators, you can see we're well into 80. We still see that upward trend is continuing. So you guys can see for yourself how this can be really, really hard sometimes when you're trying to predict the trades, trying to predict the markets. And you know me, I never hide. I try to show you guys everything that happens, how much I lose, how much I win. But the fact stays the fact that I always end up in the plus bracket after every single, trading session. And now you can see I've got about 8 seconds left on that trade. 5, 4, 3. As you can see, patience, baby. Patience pays. Patience pays. And you can see I was ready to lose that 5K because I think that my predictions was on point, but you never know when you're doing OTC. But the profits, man, the profits that you get from it, it's just, as you can see, the Apple continues to just bear downwards. Just bear. She's bearish. Just imagine. Like literally any point you could have entered into a downward trend, you probably would have made money. Except for this candles. Just imagine entering 20K right here. You could have made some nice little bags. Right here, do we think that this market's about to pull? So, first thing you're looking at is this long ass downward bear momentum. Even though you see little sectors right here where it seems like the market is about to pull, right here could be another one where people make mistakes. Right here could be another one where people think, oh, it's about to be an upward trend. No. And you can see that measly little upward trend right here. So this, you don't want to get faked by this as well. Just as I thought, should have been paying more attention, could have entered a trade right there. But let's try to find, so right here, we think we're in an upward trend. Now, I truly do not believe that this is going to repeat itself. I really do not think that this is going to repeat itself. So in this case, just look for a nice little entry point. Boom. Come on, baby, come on. All right, so you can see I entered call. We are obviously okay. I don't think that it should even be as close because I think that we should definitely take profit on this. Because even if the market pulls off of here, as I said to you, I'm not doing support and resistance, I'm just looking at the candles. And this looks like a pull away candle. Oh, it's gonna be close. All the trades today have been this. Like every trade today has been like a nail biter. No. All right, last minute loss. Not gonna push my luck with the OTC no more, bro. I'm just gonna end it right here. I'm just gonna end the trading session. You see me lose about 15, 20K, but we also make money. And overall, we are in the money. We are profitable, and that's what I want to bring to you guys. And that's the whole point behind me doing what I do, is that bringing to you guys that for real, there is no perfect trader. There is no perfect trading system. It's about finding a system that works for you and sticking to it and grinding through it, and always at the end of every trade. It's not about making $10,000 today. It's about making $10, 20, 30, 40, and then you can make 100, and then you can make 1,000, right? You can't just jump into, I'm gonna throw all my money into this and I'm gonna see how much money I make out of it. Yes. You could keep throwing shit at the wall and something might stick. But the fact is, there's a lot of people out there who are telling you that, oh, they never miss a trade, they never lose a trade, they're always winning. You can believe them if they want to. If you want to live in your world with your pink shades on, you don't want to believe in the real world, that's good. That's on you. But in the real world, people lose. In the real world, big traders lose. Stock traders, people in Wall Street, they lose money all the time. They win too. And so if you think that somebody got a magic formula somewhere, hey, I got a mansion on the moon to sell you feel me? But thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for all the support. We had almost 5,000 Telegram, how do you say it? Telegram subscribers or Telegram group? We're almost at 5,000, all right? So we're almost at 5,000, and I want to take a point and say thank you guys. The channel is growing, views are growing, comments. You guys, please leave comments, like the video, support your boy, subscribe if you don't know. And you know I got to plug my Instagram for sure. So go follow your boy on Instagram. Also, if you want free signals, links will be in the description. Hit me up. I got free signals every single day. And you can see we even do the weekends, and you can see how the OTC market is going. And even though it's really hard to predict, we're still able to come out profitable at the end. And that's exactly what's waiting for you in my Telegram channel. So, without further ado, it's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.